this video, I'm going to guide you on how to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open roblox.com using a browser and then log in with your account. Once you're in the Roblox homepage, click the gear icon on the upper right corner and then in the drop-down menu, select Help and Safety. In here, click the Help Center and you'll be redirected to Roblox support page. Using the search bar, type items, and then under your avatar, click on the Can I Move Items, Experiences, or Robux from one account to another. From here, it says here that for the current version of Roblox, there is no system in place to transfer items or Robux between your accounts. But it is possible to transfer your experiences using Roblox Studio. You can navigate to this article and read it, then you can try to do this to transfer your items to your other accounts. That's basically it.